So we've got a blue stone here. We want to find out if it's, and dog hair, of course, dog hair. If it's a sapphire, this is a rough star sapphire. That's what they look like. They're little hexagonal crystals, see? Bum, bum, bum. It's hexagonal all the way around. Whichever way you turn it, it's hexagonal. It can't help it. It's not magic. That's how the aluminum and oxygen atoms hold themselves together. And they're so strongly bonded together in that hexagon that it's the second hardest mineral known to man, next to a diamond. Diamond is 100,000 times harder than sapphire. 5 orders of magnitude. Which means when I take this really sharp point here, and I go, and I'm pushing, you can see it's sitting in my belly button, so it doesn't move around very much. And look, I made some marks on there. By golly, there's a scratch. This is not a diamond. Look at how the color is. Color is all the way through that stone. This is another sapphire. You can scratch a sapphire with a sapphire. But you can't scratch a diamond with a sapphire because of that incredible hardness. And that incredible hardness is not magic. Carbon has 4 electrons in its outer valence orbit. When it's squashed together into a diamond, those 4 electrons can pass from one carbon atom to another, and they share them in a double covalent bond. That's why diamonds are so incredibly hard. Nothing else on Earth does that, and can't. This is aluminum oxide. And the oxygen forms a double bond with the aluminum. That's why it's so incredibly hard. Ditto with silica. Silicon dioxide is a double covalent bond. Or no, is a double covalent bond between silica and the oxygen. Silica is the lighter of the two. Aluminum is a little bit heavier. It's the next bump up. And so it doesn't bond quite as strong. It takes a little bit more or a little bit less energy to dissociate those. Still really hard, and it'll last for almost forever. But it's not as hard as sapphire. I can take this and scratch quartz because quartz comes apart a little bit easier than sapphire. And it has to do with those double covalent bonds. They are the strongest bonds we know of. And that double covalent bond is why diamond stands alone. Nothing in the universe does that except carbon. And it's not magic. It's not because some guy made it that way. It's the physical properties, the physics of what holds things together in our universe. Peace, y'all.